A soap bar on the popcorn. You'll want to make this today, right now. The fire is off. I'm going to put a little oil. Just a little. See this popcorn? We only put in a little. The same way we do to make popcorn, look. We light the fire, right? We move it around a bit. And now we cover it. Now I'm going to let it cool down. We use one of those very cheap soaps. It can be any brand. And now, with the help of a grater, we are going to grate the soap. I am going to use the thinnest side, right? Now it's done. Just this much. And what's left I'll save it for later use. I've got a little bowl here. Now I'm going to go get my popcorn that's already cooled. I'm just going to put a little bit of the popcorn in here. I'm not going to put all of it. Just a little is enough. You don't need a lot. The popcorn is still hot, right? And the next step is the following. What we are going to do with the popcorn is to crumble it. It's going to be like flour. Look how they turned out. You realize that now they look like dust, right? Now, there is an important step. Do you know what this is? Now I'm going to season that popcorn. We're going to season it in a special way. Do you know what this is? It's baking soda. We take a small amount of a tablespoon or so. I'll put it here. If you don't have baking soda at home, you can use cake yeast. And now we're going to use the soap that we grated. We're going to put it here. Now it's well mixed. You should not eat this. Look what's going to happen here. Take a look. What we're going to do now is, in those places where we keep food, we're going to take a piece of paper and put it here, okay? So we do this. We put the popcorn here. We do it this way. We put a small amount here, you see? Do you know what will happen in your house? Look what's going to happen. Look what just happened. So folks, this is what's going to happen. Look. You see this? The cockroaches will eat the popcorn that is seasoned with baking soda and soap, and they will die. The same thing will happen with the mouse. He goes where the popcorn is and eats it. Then he will feel bad because the popcorn and soap will start to act on his stomach. With the effect of baking soda, the mouse will start to get dizzy. The popcorn will make the mouse and cockroach sick, and they will die. This is a homemade fumigation. It is the most correct way to control these pests at home. Folks, stop using chemicals. It is very dangerous to use chemicals at home to control these types of animals. Friends, when we use the baking soda and the soap mixed with the popcorn in this way, it is the best way to do pest control at home. Those undesirable animals and insects, the mouse for example, cockroaches invading your pantry. Look, you'll never see a live mouse or cockroach in your pantry again. Because this is what is going to happen. This will kill the cockroaches. All you have to do is this advice this way, folks. See? And with this, mice and cockroaches will disappear from your house. When you do this, you will kill the mice and cockroaches. If you like this tip, don't forget to like it and also leave your comment, okay? And share this video, okay? Oh, one more thing. Do not leave this product within the reach of your pets. Ideally, place this in a hidden spot, out of reach of cats and dogs. Right? This is how we get rid of mice and cockroaches at home. It's a home tip that will help you control mice and cockroaches at home. Never again will there be a mouse or cockroach in your house. Do this, and say goodbye to those kinds of pests in your house. Never again will this type of pest come to your home.